Why substrates can change in pH level. Welcome to the CANNA Masterclass. Today's topic explains why the pH changes inside the substrate and how we can correct these changes to keep nutrients available for root absorption and healthy plant growth. The pH must stay within range so nutrient elements remain available. When pH drifts too high or too low, nutrients may be present, but roots cannot absorb them efficiently. Roots breathe and produce carbon dioxide in a watery substrate. When CO2 dissolves in water and cannot escape, it forms acid and lowers the pH. This is why airy substrates are very important. In wet hydroponic systems, the risk of pH drop is higher. Aerating the nutrient solution helps CO2 leave the water and can prevent unwanted pH decreases in the root zone. Mineral nutrient solutions consist of nutrient salts. In water, these salts split into positively charged cations and negatively charged anions, which strongly influence pH changes in the substrate. When they absorb more anions than cations, the pH goes up, which often happens in vegetative phase 1, which we can solve by adding more nitrogen cations by giving mono N17. To correct rising pH, ammonium nitrogen can be used instead of nitrate nitrogen. Ammonium is a cation and lowers pH after uptake. CANNA Terra Vega already contains ammonium. When plants absorb more cations than anions, the pH goes down, which often happens in the second part of flowering when using PK 13-14. These processes happen directly in the substrate's root zone. Plants mainly take up nitrogen and potassium. Nitrogen is an anion, while potassium is a cation. Changes in their uptake ratio directly affect the pH inside the substrate. During the vegetative phase, plants absorb more nitrate nitrogen than potassium. This causes the pH in the substrate to increase and can lead to reduced nutrient availability. During flowering, plants absorb more potassium, naturally lowering pH. Adjust nutrition accordingly, monitor substrate pH regularly, and adapt feeding to keep roots healthy and balanced. If Terra Vega dosage is limited, parts of the base nutrient can be replaced with mono N17. This ammonium-based product lowers pH in the root zone after absorption. Level up your grow. See you in the next one.